To check your transaction history on DoorDash, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app or website to find your past orders and payment details. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app or website. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device or visit the DoorDash website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your account. In the app, tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner. On the website, click on the account icon. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Order History. Look for the Orders or Order History section in your account settings. Click on it to view a list of all your past orders. Step 4. Review transaction details. Select any order from the list to see detailed information about that transaction. This will include the items ordered, total cost, delivery details, and payment method. Step 5. Download or export history if needed. If you need a record of your transaction history, check for an option to download or export your order history. This may be available in the settings or as a feature in the order history section. Now you can easily check your transaction history on DoorDash whenever you need to.